we will be having our inaugural ceremony. Can we give a great round of applause as now I invite our esteemed dignitaries on dais. I would like to invite on stage CA Ranjeet Kumar Agarwal, our President of ICAI. I would like to also invite our Vice President of ICAI, CA Charanjot Singh Nanda. Our Chairman of AI in ICAI, CA Dayaniwas Sharma. Our Vice Chairman of AI in ICAI, CA Umesh Sharma. CA Sridhar Mupalla, our Central Council Member of ICAI. I also invite CA Ravi Sankara Reddy P, who's the Chairman of the Hyderabad branch of SIRC. I would also like to invite CA Girdhari Lal Toshniwal, who's the Secretary of the Hyderabad branch SIRC. Can we give a great round of applause for all our dignitaries on dais? I now request them to kindly join for the lamp lighting ceremony as we now invoke Goddess Saraswati, the idol of knowledge. I request all our Central Council members to also join for the lamp lighting, and Regional Council members.
या श्वेत पद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शंकर प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता.
I request Foreign Chapter Doha, Kuwait representatives to also come on stage.
शुक्लां ब्रह्म विचार सार परमा आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं अभयदां जाड्यान्धकारापहां हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्.
Today, we embark into a journey of the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its transformative impact on the fields of accounting, taxation, and governance and accounting. This summit is a testament to the incredible advancements in AI and the visionary efforts of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India in embracing these innovations. As we have all gathered here, let us remember that our purpose here is to learn, collaborate, and catalyze change for better. And with that, I will now be requesting all of you to please rise for the ICAI motto song.
येष सुप्तेषु जागृति येष सुप्तेषु जागृति कामं 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 कामपुरुषो पुरुषो निर्विमाणः निर्विमाणः तदेव शुक्रं तदेव शुक्रं तद्ब्रह्मा अमृतमुच्यते तस्मिन् लोकः शतः सर्वे तदूनात्यपि कश्चन एतद्वैता 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 एतद्वैता.
I would now be requesting C. Ravi Sankara Reddy P., Chairman of the Hyderabad branch of SIRC, to kindly give the opening remarks for this session. Can we give a great round of applause, please?
Thank you, Madam. Honorable and most respected President of ICAI, Ranjeet Kumar Agarwal, sir. Honorable Vice President of ICAI, Charanjot Singh Nanda, sir. Chairman of AI Committee in ICAI, Dayaniwas Sharma, sir. Vice Chairman of AI Committee in ICAI, Umesh Sharma, sir. And C.S. Sridhar Mupala, Central Council member from ICAI, whom our President, sir, greatly regards as a troubleshooter always. And Dayaniwas Sharma, sir, he is the person who is the source of digital transformation in ICAI. Thank you so much, sir. Now you are heading this most important committee AI in ICAI. Respected Central Council members from other regions, Rajkumar Adukia, sir, Prasanna Kumar, sir, Rajendra Kumar, sir, Raj Chawla, sir, and SIRC members, Revati Raghunandan, Madam, Vice Chairperson, Chinnamastan Talakayala, past SIRC Chairman, Changal Reddy, SIRC member, Regional Council members, Sunil Mandava, and Narayachandra Gelli, sir, our galaxy of past chairmen, RCMs, senior members, and my own managing committee members, and most importantly, the delegates who have come all over the country. I think not all over the country, all over the world. Thank you so much for visiting Hyderabad. The great efforts by committee in AI in ICAI had contributed this huge number of delegates from all over the country and in the world. I welcome you all to this vibrant city of Hyderabad, known for its rich cultural heritage and technological advancements. The AI in ICAI committee has done an outstanding job in conceptualizing and organizing this seminar, and I thank them on their efforts. Recently, we all know that AI tool was also I think given to all the members as a gift. More such tools are yet to come. We'll hear from Chairman of the AI committee. I welcome Devaraj Reddy, sir, past President of ICAI. This seminar brings together experts and thought leaders in AI and accounting, offering a unique platform for knowledge sharing, networking, and collaboration. I thank all the speakers and hackathon participants for making this conference a huge success. Over the next few hours, we will engage in insightful discussions, explore innovative ideas, and gain valuable insights into the applications of AI in our profession. Let us come together to make this seminar a resounding success and let our collective efforts shape the future of accounting in the AI era. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your address. Before we move forward to our next address, I would like to extend my warmest welcome to C. Dhwani Doshi, Director at the New England chapter of ICAI. Thank you, ma'am, for joining us at AIS 2024. And now I would be requesting CA Umesh Sharma, our Vice Chairman of AI in ICAI, to address us all. Can we have a great round of applause, please?
Thank you, Nidhi. Good morning to all. And today it's a dream come true. And I am so happy that under the leadership of our President Ranjeet Agarwal sir, Vice President Nanda sir, and all our council colleagues and my chairman Daya sir, we are today here for AI Summit, first ever summit of ICAI on AI, and thanks to you all participants. It was a tough time, July time, and we thought that how it will go. But today, God is great, and we are here today. And friends, when AI is there, I was very much worried, and I was also very happy that such a big conference, what to speak and what not to speak. And I was thinking on this dais that whether my avatar can help me out in this situation.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am AI Avatar of CA Umesh Sharma, and I am thrilled to welcome you to the first ever AI Innovation Summit organized by ICAI at Hyderabad. A dream come true of our President CA Ranjeet Agarwal sir. Today, we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, where artificial intelligence is transforming our profession in ways we could only imagine a few years ago. This summit is a testament to our commitment to embracing change, fostering innovation, and preparing for the future of Chartered Accountancy. Over the next 2 days, we will explore groundbreaking AI applications, engage with thought leaders, and discover new strategies to enhance our practice. Let's embark on this exciting journey together, embracing the future of AI in accounting, auditing, tax, and governance. Thank you.
Thank you, my AI avatar. And friends, this is the testimony, this is the future. Whatever you are doing in your life, in your practice, in your job, all will be hit by AI. And for the 2 days, you have to note down what you are doing and what AI can do for you. With these words, thanks to all of you and happy learning. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your such an interactive AI dupe of yours. And now I would be requesting CA Dayaniwas Sharma, our chairman of AI in ICAI, to address us all and tell us all about this 2-day program. Can we give a great round of applause, please?
Thank you very much, Nidhi. It's indeed a different feel altogether when today's to stand before you all. And this conference, I would like to say some people dream and they give their dreams to someone to execute. I am fortunate such person who got an opportunity to fulfill the dream of my president, Sir Ranjeet Agarwal sir. Sir, thank you very much for giving this opportunity to be the chairman of AI in ICAI. Honorable President, sir, it is a different field today because when we were planning to host this conference on a working day, which is on 16th and 17th, there was a discussion. And friends, let me tell you one thing. Today happens to be the AI Day of the nation. And it's a fact. We surely thought about on a 16th and 17th, that too a working day, and that too during the peak, will people attend? We discussed with President and we said, sir, the point is the people who dream for tomorrow will surely actually come here and attend. And we see the entire hall full today. And you give us the confidence to ensure that we don't only talk about yesterday and today, but we talk about times to come in years to come. With this conference, this confidence which you have given to all the council members, compliments to you all people. Thank you. We have with us the Vice President who happened to be the Chairman of Digital Accounting and Assurance Board for last 2 years, where I was his Vice Chairman. And we have always been deliberating one thought, that how do we take technology to people home? And that is how, whether it is DISA as a course, whether forensic as a course, or when you talk about any certification which we wanted to take you through, is something which we were continuously embarking on that let us take things to people place rather than getting people to us. And today I can proudly say that on this day, we have 38,000 chartered accountants who have qualified the DISA examination in 22 years. And 16,000 plus people have qualified their forensic examinations also. A big round of applause to you all people who have actually lived the dream. Just imagine, 22 years back, DISA course was introduced. 22 years back, the institute's vision was so high that might be 22 years later, the technology is going to take over and we should not be left behind. This is where we have actually moved towards over a period of time. People have gained the certificate, that is knowledge. But now the wisdom to apply that knowledge is on the corners, and I 100%, I'm pretty confident that every chartered accountant is actually going to take this step forward and ensure that not only IT means income tax, IT means information technology, which is actually supporting the entire ecosystem of tax, governance, audit, accounting, and everything when you talk about with regards to the numbers across the board. And we are going to be relevant all throughout. Friends, with me I have a wonderful friend who's no other person than Sridhar Mupala, who's actually been a great amount of support to encourage and ensure that things are going in the right direction. He always stands next to me and gives his confidence that Dayawai, nothing will happen, go ahead. Thank you, Sridhar, for making it possible for me. Additionally, when you talk about Umesh Sharma, whose AI avatar you have seen, it is just a new beginning. How things are going to modify, how things are going to change. Might be a human presence is going to be replaced with an artificial presence, but the knowledge which is going to be there is always going to be the paramount, and that is going to lie with human only. So thank you, Umesh Bhai, for showing that newer version. Ravi Shankar Reddy, who has happened to be the chairman of this particular branch, Hyderabad branch, one of the largest branches, has always been encouraging all the team members to work together, move together, and achieve together. Thank you, Ravi, for making it possible. Equally, Secretary, who is sitting there, thank you very much, Secretary, sir, for being always around and ensuring things are going good in the right direction. We also have one surprise today. Friends, we are born with a ministry, which is called Ministry of Corporate Affairs. And we have a representative in name of Mr. Vijay Jalani, sir. Vijay Jalani, sir, I request you to kindly raise a round of applause for him to come here and be among us to witness the future, what is expected by the government. And this is the message which we request you, sir, to kindly take it to the government that we are moving ahead. We have council members, Prasanna Kumar, sir, then we have Rajendra Kumar, sir, then we have Raj Kumar, sir. All Raj are there with us, so I don't think we have to bother about it. And we also have the past council member, Manu Agarwal ji, who is sitting in the audience, past chairman, Nugachan Jain, and there are many people, our Chinnamastan is here around, who have always seen that, yes, and who have always seen that something new has to happen in the entire ecosystem. You all will be surprised today when I make one statement, because I have not missed him. He is the man who actually introduced technology to the institute. He is no other person than the past president, Devraj Reddy sir. I think a big round of applause for him. He is sitting among us. He is the person who in his presidentship took the decision that, keep papers aside, let us actually go and buy the iPads for the council members so that the agenda papers, we don't have to waste papers, tons of papers in the process. Thank you, Devraj Reddy sir. That was the initiation from your side, which has given us a lot of confidence. AI, a journey traveled with lots of ups and downs, a target which was almost missed on 30th June, but intention which was fully successful when we launched the AI tool by the hands of Nitin Gadkari sir in presence of our beloved president. Today we are witnessing this close to 2,000 people who have registered from 24 states, and people representing 4 different countries are participating among all of us. This is what ICAI is. If you knew me yesterday, you don't know me today because I evolve every day. That is what is our ICAI, and let's be proud about our institute, our profession, and our mother body, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for extending such a heartfelt welcome to all of us that are present here. And now I would be requesting CA Umesh Sharma, Vice Chairman of AI in ICAI, to present 7,500 rupees CABF card to our Vice President of ICAI, CA Charanjot Singh Nanda ji.
Momentous manner which is incredible. Shri Dayaniwas Sharma, the Chairman of AI in ICAI, Shri Umesh Sharma, the Vice Chairman, my very dear friend Mr. Sardar Mopala, Shri Ravi Sankara Reddy, Shri Girdhari Lal Toshniwal. We also have our Honorable past President Shri Devraj Reddy ji, past Council Member Shri L.N. Sharma ji, our Government nominee Vijay Jalani ji, all Council members, all Regional Council members, past Chairman. Ladies and gentlemen, I am the happiest man on the earth today. We, past 2 years, worked hard to ensure that technology becomes reality. We saw that number of our members were not conversant with technology, and therefore, we got a very ambitious program, Technology for Non-Technology Professionals. And today, when I entered the hall, I felt so happy, so thrilled. Yes, it is started. India now is, you all will be happy to know, a global leader in AI. 60% of Indian companies have embraced AI. 68% projects, ongoing projects have AI in perspective. And ladies and gentlemen, leave aside AI. Internationally, we have become leaders in entire technology, blockchains. The entire work is done here in Indian back offices. Internet of Things, data analytics, forensics, wherever you go, Indian chartered accountants now are ruling the roost. I remember the days when I joined the council way back in 2004. When we used to visit international conferences, we always used to get a back seat. But times have so immensely changed. Now, an Indian chartered accountant, whether he's a council member or not, whether he's a chairman of a committee or not, the moment they figure you out, people come and speak to you about India. They want to inquire how are the outsourcing prospects in India. What India can offer to the world at large. This is something that gives you great pride. You feel things have changed to your tune, to your perspective. I'm reminded of a couplet which says, Dete na the jo jawab, unke salam aane lage. Dete na the jo jawab, unke salam aane lage. Waqt badla, to mere neem ke ped par aam aane lage. My dear friends, at the council, at Digital Accounting and Assurance both the past 2 years and now led by the immediate past President Mr. Aniket Talati, we are very keen that technology clears our thought process. Chartered accountants ultimately have to come technology. We have been leaders in audit, in accounting, in tax, in conversion from single entry to double entry, in conversion from Indian GAAP to all international gaps. But now with the use of technology in forensic, you call it digital forensic, use of technology in accounting, in taxation, in management consulting, in reconciliations, in financial modeling has been immense. I call all the members who have come here on a Tuesday morning at this time in such large numbers. Let us all exhibit, create value, and ensure that we will always remain the leaders of all new initiatives which the world will take. I go back to the history of the profession. Our institute was set up by an act of parliament way back on 1st July 1949, when the most important document to the democracy, the constitution, was not adopted. You're all aware that the constitution to this great country was promulgated on 26 January 1950. The pertinent question that arises is, what prompted the Constituent Assembly to set up an Institute of Chartered Accountants of India when its own democratic setup was not in place? The answer is very candid, very simple, very forthcoming. They were looking for a disciplined band of soldiers to steer this country out of confusion and put the Republic of India on the path of constant, perpetual, endearing progress. Ladies and gentlemen, we have lived up to that expectation. We have created values not only for ourselves, we are now in the process of changing the slogan which we have. We say Chartered Accountants as a partner in nation building. It has to be transformed to we are Chartered Accountants who are partners in global building. We look toward the entire world and see how beautiful, how better it can be for professional initiatives. To end, you saw the branch gave us a check of 7,500 rupees for CABF, Chartered Accountant Benevolent Fund. I take you back to Mr. N.A. Palkiwala, where I was a student, I was listening to him. N.A. Palkiwala was a celebrated speaker, a great jurist. When he came up to the dais, there were close to 4,000 chartered accountants sitting in Talkora Stadium. He said, I envy Indian chartered accountants for two reasons. Reason number one, they have a continuing professional education, which even doctors don't have who conduct live operations. And second, I respect Indian chartered accountants because they have a CABF, Chartered Accountant Benevolent Fund. The next thing which he told brought tears in my eyes. He said, it is the only institute in the world where a member of CABF and non-member of CABF has equal rights on the corpus of CABF. Ladies and gentlemen, I request you to generously contribute to the cause of our fellow members who were in distress, who left their lives and their families are struggling to make both their ends meet. I request all of you to generously donate for CABF and ensure that all people who have left their families, their near and dear behind, are taken care of. A great conference today. My compliments to the chairman and vice chairman. My biggest compliments to the visionary, the president of ICAI, who saw this dream and therefore it is in being today, it is in existence today. And my compliments to all of you. You have come here in large numbers. They say, मंजिल मिल ही जाएगी थोड़ा भटक कर ही सही. मंजिल मिल ही जाएगी थोड़ा भटक कर ही सही. गुमराह तो वो हैं जो घरों से निकले ही नहीं. At this time, who have come in large numbers are people who are visionaries and shall ensure that your institute, the Institute of Chartered Accountants, remains at the pinnacle of highest levels of success. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for inspiring us with your address. And now, before we move forward, I will be requesting our audiovisual team to kindly play the video of Drishti. Drishti is an initiative introduced by our President of ICAI, Ranjeet Kumar Agarwal.
Yeah.
The visionary framework aims to lead the Institute towards the groundbreaking advancements in several key areas such as digitalization, research, integrity, skills, hand-holding, transparency, and independency. And with that, I now request them to kindly play it.
Yatha drishti, tatha shrishti, meaning, as is one's vision, so is one's experience. This timeless wisdom encapsulated within the verses of the Bhagavad Gita serves as the guiding light for the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India for the council year 2024-25. Assuming the office as 72nd President of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, CA Ranjeet Kumar Agarwal, along with Vice President CA Charanjot Singh Nanda, anticipates his vision on the theme Drishti.
I am privileged that I am assuming the responsibility of an institution which is not an institute, but over the last 75 years, which has become an institution in itself and which has become the world's largest accounting body. And I am the 72nd President of this institute, which is the world's largest.
Drishti, which symbolizes a transformative journey, pulsating with innovation across the 7 pillars: D, R, I, S, H, T, I. Drishti. One of the major focus areas this year is digitalization. Taking a lead in this area, ICAI has formed a new committee this year, AI in ICAI, to harness the potential of artificial intelligence to empower the profession and strengthen the operations and infrastructure in order to optimize productivity and meet the demands of a digital-centric world. Fostering research and development for capacity building, ICAI will further strengthen its research studies in the areas of accounting, assurance, taxation, finance and business advisory services to provide conducive environment for research, development and innovation. Integrity, which forms the core of the institute. Recognizing this cornerstone of the profession, the Vice President of India, Shri Jagdeep Dhankar, lauded the unwavering dedication of Chartered Accountants to upholding the highest ethical standards.
Ethics is quintessential to your profession to ensure trust and integrity in financial reporting, auditing, taxation, and consulting services. Out of experience, I can say, Chartered Accountants in Bharat have the highest ethics quotient.
ICAI is extremely focused on adapting and upgrading the acumen and skills of the professionals in tune with the changing requirements in order to provide conducive environment for research, development and innovation. ICAI is planning to establish new Center of Excellence Pan-India. H in Drishti symbolizes hand-holding. As a trusted partner in nation building, ICAI provides guidance to MSMEs and startups, educating the masses through financial and tax literacy drive, assisting 2.6 lakh panchayats and municipal bodies towards strengthening accountability mechanism for good governance by providing certificate course jointly with the Office of CNAG to skill and train accountants at grassroots level. T signifies transparency, reflecting ICAI's commitment towards fostering trust and accountability while enhancing the quality of assurance services offered by its members. ICAI's pioneering initiative of UDIN for verification have instilled trust and transparency in the financial and auditing realms.
ICAI ने यूडीन यानी यूनिक डॉक्यूमेंट आइडेंटिफिकेशन नंबर की शुरुआत की है। आपके व्यवसाय में प्रामाणिकता की बहुत आवश्यकता है। मुझे खुशी है कि आपके यूडीन के जरिए ये सार्थक प्रयास शुरू किया गया है।
Independence I guides unbiased actions in the financial landscape. ICAI, the largest accountancy body, founded on the bedrock of ethics, integrity, and independence, propelling India towards becoming an economic powerhouse of the world by 2047. With Drishti, ICAI envisions a golden period for the profession, shaping the future with innovation, integrity, and excellence.
And now I request our chairman of AI in ICAI, CA Dayaniwas Sharma sir, to kindly present the 7,500 rupee CA Benevolent Fund card to our Honorable President of ICAI, CA Ranjeet Kumar Agarwal sir. Can we give a great round of applause, please? Along with it, we will also be presenting a memento. Our President, C. Ranjeet Kumar Agarwal sir, has been leading by example to create a fostering learning and skill upgradation ecosystem for all the members. And with that, I will now be requesting the navigator of this flagship of knowledge, our President of ICAI, C. Ranjeet Kumar Agarwal sir, to address us all. Can we give a great round of applause, please?
Those of us, we watched the TV. 3 days before, a news item came in Morocco, a beauty contest was held. And a lady from the Morocco got the Best Beauty Award. And there was a lady from India. She got in the final list of that beauty contest. This was not a Miss India, Miss World, nothing. It was AI influencer participation, and all these beauty were AI supported person who are now the beauty king and beauty queens of the world. This is the power of AI now. Beauty contests are now awarded on the basis of the AI. We have very respected our Vice President, who had been the chairman of the Digital Accounting Assurance Board before he became the Vice President. And Institute of Chartered Accountancy India came out with 21 forensic accounting and investigation standards, which has been made applicable to our members at large. And he was the person when these standards were adopted by the institute. So please give me a big round of applause. As a Vice President, now he is there. The two very gem, Dayaniwas Sharma and Umesh Sharma, both the Sharma Bandhu, who are the person whom this AI in ICAI committee was given this year. And it was a dream that how this AI in ICAI should function, what is the vision of this AI can be inculcated in the student and member and all the stakeholder employee of the ICAI, and the way they have worked last 5 months, so much of hackathon, so much of program on AI, certificate course on AI, publications on the AI. In 5 months now, entire India, entire accounting body of the world, there are 182 accounting body in this world. The Institute of Chartered Accounts India is the first accounting body who has taken these kind of initiative. Hats off to Dayaniwas, Sharma and Umesh Sharma. We are now taking the leadership role as far as artificial intelligence is concerned. Another gem from Hyderabad, Sridhar Mupala. And he is the person who is the student friendly. He is the vice chairman of the board of studies. And how this technology can be infused amongst the students, how they can take advantage of the artificial intelligence. We are going to launch today also the GPT in this regard. The chairman of this board, Rajkumar Adukia, and vice chairman Sridhar Mupala, they have worked so hard. The GPT for the students which we are going to launch today, hats off to Sridhar Mupala and Rajkumar Adukia ji, thank you very much. We have Rajendra Kumar ji and Prasanna Kumar from South. Now Rajendra Kumar ji is the vice chairman of the GST committee and the chairman of the career counseling committee. Let me tell you, once we have launched our new syllabus in 1st of July 2023, from that July to as on today, after our syllabus got changed, 6 subjects and 30% MCQ, and this self-paced online model examination we started, articleship reduced from 3 to 2 years. Last July, this till today, we have got the highest number of foundation registration in our country, and the credit goes to RK sir. 1,38,000 students got registered in the foundation. This is the highest so far as far as institute is concerned. Thank you, RK sir, for working so hard. Prasanna Kumar is the chairman of the peer review board. Now the peer review board, we have taken a call last year. Every firm having 5 partners and more has to got their firm peer reviewed. And that was the last March of the 2024 was the deadline. We got given extension of grace period of 3 months. So 30th June was the deadline. And last 5 months, the way he has worked, all the 5 partners and more firm got peer review certificate with the hard work of Mr. Prasanna Kumar. Thank you very much, Prasanna Kumar ji, for working so hard in the institute as a chairman of the peer review board. We have government nominee Vijay Jalani ji. Raj Chawla is the Central Council member, and he is the person and the brand behind MSME Yatra of the institute. 15 days, he's taking the bus for making awareness about this MSME Yatra throughout the country. We have Manu Agarwal, our past council member, along with 6 years we have spent in the council. The father of the chairman of AI in ICAI, Mr. Alan Sharma ji is here. He is our father and guru and everything. Thank you very much, sir. A person like him, of 75 plus, I hope it might be, is attending the AI in ICAI session. Hats off to you for so generous and want to update yourself as far as technological advancement is concerned. That is the way the profession is so proud. Every member in our institute want to upgrade, update, and then deliver. So big round to Alan Sharma ji. We have from Kuwait, the chairperson of the Kuwait chapter of ICAI, Aditya, and the chairperson of the Doha chapter of ICAI, Kamlesh. Both of them have come here from Doha and Kuwait to attend this AI in ICAI. Thank you very much. Chairman of this branch, Ravi Shankar Reddy, GC Tosniwal, Secretary and all, Devraj Reddy ji, our past president and a person from Hyderabad, and he is the God-fearing person. The way he has nurtured the working of the ICAI, praying the God and the Sanatan and all this spirituality he has imbibed in the working of the ICAI. Thank you very much, sir, Devraj Reddy ji, for gracing this occasion. Thank you. Friends, this AI or artificial intelligence. Now this AI, how this AI is so important in last 5 to 7 years. And what is the repercussions of AI? And how our profession is going to benefit from AI and what are the disadvantages of AI? All these 360-degree view, the institute is working in a very detailed way. If you see the American bank data, 2020, the total market size of artificial intelligence in the world was $300 billion. 2026, in a 6-year span, they are projecting the total market size of artificial intelligence in the world is $900 billion. Now, how this AI is going to change the entire spectrum? I am giving you one example. WHO has unveiled an artificial intelligence tool which is called SARAH. Now, this tool is given to a person, and this tool give you the guidance, give you the assistance, what is your BP, what is your cholesterol, how much protein you should take, how much other intake you should take, how you have to be healthy, every step, every second of every moment of the person, this artificial intelligence tool is giving you advice and signal throughout the day. And it has been approved by the WHO, which has been implemented by many countries of the world. What the doctor will do going forward, how the profession of the doctor is going to be impacted by this kind of tool. As far as finance is concerned, today 80% of the banking system in India has been digitalized. Now there is a fintech company called Setu. Now this fintech company Setu is giving a tool to all the banking company in this country, how the fraud detection, how the compliance of the various laws, and how to present the financial statement can be prepared. There is another startup called Advet. This startup is now helping the banking sector to detect the fraud. Any unusual entry in the bank statement, they are giving an alert signal. How the balance sheet of the banks are prepared, whether they have been prepared as per the required standard and the compliance of the various laws has been done or not. This startup tool is helping entire banking sector in our country. What is the role of the chartered accountant as a bank auditor? If the banking balance sheets are complied with all the accounting audit standards, all the compliance of the laws, the 80% data are seamlessly integrated, where is the scope left for the chartered accountant to certify the financial statement? The work of the AI in the healthcare and the education, it's a humongous work in going across the country. How does a country like India, AI helping to health sector and to the education sector. Now, if a China can be a leader in the manufacturing sector, the time has come that India has to be a leader in the artificial intelligence. And that's why the kind of expert, software expert, tech-savvy population we have. We are the largest and the youngest tech-savvy population in this world. And when these kind of tools are getting subsumed and integrated in the entire entity, the role and the responsibility of the young population of this country is a paramount. So this young population of our country has to learn artificial intelligence. How this artificial intelligence, maybe some drawbacks are also there. Some issues are also there as far as artificial intelligence is concerned. But the question here is, can we overlook or can we ignore the indulgence of the artificial intelligence across the world? If the tools and the technology which we are going to provide the entire population of this country, how they are going to study, how they are taking their healthcare system, how they are feeding themselves, the India has to work on this. And that's why in the last budget, 10,174 crore rupees were earmarked by the government only for artificial intelligence. And so is, if you talk about the auditing profession, now the time is coming when you are making a report, this report will be converted in the audio and video mode. A small investor in the Tirupati, he is not so literate, but he wants to invest the money in a company and in his hand, the audit report signed by you. Now the tool gives him a chance to convert the audit report in the local language which he understands through artificial intelligence, and he can understand what you want to communicate in your audit report, and then he can take a decision. This is the power of artificial intelligence coming. So we as a chartered accountant, we as a finance professional, we have a larger responsibility now in this tech-savvy environment by knowing the artificial intelligence, how we can deliver with the best of our capability and capacity by taking care of various accounting auditing standards and the code of ethics prescribed by the ICAI. Let me tell you, if you are doing the audit, now whether to accept the client or not, non-structural data are available across the country. Through email, social media, the reports, everything, what is the conduct of the client, how you are going to hire the best of your auditing team, how you are going to give the audit report while doing the audit, how the stock of the large capital item like trucks and the wind farm can be taken help of the drone while doing the audit report, and how you can take care of the compliance of the various laws and the accounting standards. All these things are now encapsulated and integrated in the various tools which can help you to certify the financial statement as a true and fair. These kind of tools already has come, and what we want in the institute, we have 9 lakh students. Now this 9 lakh students they are going through the study mate, suggested answer, 75-year question bank, RTP, If the student want to know, this question has come how many times in last 75 years of any particular subject, the tool give the answer in the fraction of the second without going the 75-year question bank. If the student want to know what is accounting standard 2, cost or net realizable value, whichever is lower, what is AS2 number 1, and what is the logic of cost or NRV, whichever is lower. The tool is giving the student answer in the fraction of the second. All these things we have already incorporated in the ICAI student GPT tool, and we are going to give this tool 9 lakh students free of cost. And with the help of the Board of Studies and AI in ICAI, today we are going to launch this tool at this platform today itself. Four lakh chartered accountant, 1,50,000 practicing member we have. Now there are 7,000 listed company and 17 lakh unlisted company. While certifying the financial statement, you come across a related party transaction and you have to qualify. Now you want to know in 7,000 listed company in the similar situation, whether any auditor has given the same report, or 70 lakh unlisted company, any auditor has given same kind of report. What are the qualifications done by this 70 lakh 7,000 auditor in this annual report? What is the fee structure? What is the qualification in the CARO? What are the notes on accounts? Everything without going into the 17 lakh 7,000 listed, unlisted company annual report. This we have incorporated in a GPT system of ICAI, so that by fraction of second, all my 1,50,000 CA can know what are the content of this annual report. And this tool we have already launched on 1st of July with the hands of the Nitin Gadkari ji. By free of cost, all this 1,50,000 member has got this tool. Already 30,000 member has downloaded. And this tool will help you to decide and frame the mindset as an auditor. What are the various information in various company qualification and how we can use with the best of your advantage. And the third and most important part, 1,50,000 practicing member and 2,50,000 members in industry, business and startup. A chartered accountant institute like ours, we have now the 4 lakh chartered accountant, making us in 182 accounting body the world largest accounting body. And we have now the number, every third chartered accountant is a women chartered accountant in our country. We have the number, 43% of these 9 lakh students are girl students pursuing chartered accountancy. How to handhold them, how to integrate the technological advancement in the learning and the audit part of our institute, that is our goal and motto. And that's why I told you, since we have these kind of number, the India has the youngest population, so has our ICAI. We have 60% of these 4 lakh members are below the age of 40. And if we don't handhold them, if we don't teach them the impact of the artificial intelligence, they will be lagged behind, which we don't want. And that's why this GPT tool, student and member, certification course, so many programs, so many learning curve we have designed. The entire 4 lakh member and 9 lakh students should abreast themselves with the best technological advancement which is coming, but at the same time, whatever mindset we have qualified in our era, that mindset will not work going forward. The way we think, the way we report, the way we audit, everything is going to get a sea change. Fraud reporting, or non-compliance will be a tool, will give you the guide in all this aspect. So that's why I am telling entire my friends and fraternity, the Institute of Chartered Accountant India is going to take the leadership role as far as artificial intelligence is concerned, and we will be the #1 accounting body in the world as far as technological advancement is concerned, and that is the way we are working. If we are the largest accounting body of the world, we have to become the best accounting body in the world in the years to come. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your brilliant address and for telling us how India will now become #1 accounting body in the world. And now, like sir just mentioned, that today we will be launching few AI initiatives. And I would now be requesting our audiovisual team to kindly play our first initiative launch for the day, which is the AI certificate course. We would be needing a... I'll be requesting a clicker, which now our president will click, and then we'll be launching it. And our first launch is the AI certificate course. Can we give a great round of applause, please? And now, ladies and gentlemen, we would be launching our next initiative, which is the digital publication of 100 AI tools. I would be requesting our president to kindly click from there. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the highlight of our today's launch, we would now be launching the CA Student Chat GPT. Can we give a great round of applause, please? Well, what a beautiful day and a lovely start to our AIS Summit 2024. And now, as we proceed towards the conclusion of our inaugural ceremony, I would be taking the moment to request CA Sridhar Mupala, our Central Council member of ICAI, to extend a vote of thanks. Can we give a great round of applause, please?
Thank you very much. A very good afternoon, all the members and dignitaries on the dais. The last half an hour, I was seeing all the members, what exactly AI is going to do. Don't worry, AI will never replace human being, that too never an Indian, because we are born with human intelligence as well as artificial intelligence. All of us might have seen from childhood. So first, let me extend my wholehearted thanks to the Honorable President of ICAI, because in this year, first time we have seen a new committee that is getting formed, AI in ICAI. So his initiative has brought up so much transformation. The feedback what we got from members for their interest to be shown in this course, which has brought up to the certificate course. Thank you, President Sir, for encouraging and guiding the entire council towards the AI in ICAI. Next, I should thank our Honorable Vice President of ICAI, because he has been in DAP for the last 2 years. He not only represents institution within India, but outside India. When he is speaking, we know that the extent of tremendous change that is going to happen under his leadership and experience what it is getting added to ICAI. Thank you, sir, for all the way leading the institution from forefront. Next, I should thank all the Hyderabad branch management committee, staff, and the team of AI in ICAI for really taking the efforts in the last 2 months to organize this event. When this is a July month, mid of the week, so many questions were there, but still on a back-to-back event Hyderabad branch was doing, starting from convocation, this event, and we had a bank audit seminar, back-to-back seminars, thanks to all the Hyderabad staff management committee members and the staff of Hyderabad branch. Next, if I talk about the members, probably this is the first event in AI in ICAI, no other place than Hyderabad. Because the best compliment what we get from a council members, whenever they come to Hyderabad, every 3 months or 6 months, from airport to this location, the change happens. That is the transformation what Hyderabad is happening, and that is the technology adoption what it is happening. Proud to say that we are in the technological world leading from forefront, and any new technology today, we are willing to adopt it. Coming to our profession, the impact of AI in ICAI, it only augment, it helps the accuracy. What it need to be learned by the members is, nothing is going to change. Our accounting standard will not change, our debit credit will not change from manual system to an AI. But AI is going to add accuracy to our profession. When we talk about a sample today, it can be a much more extent of testing we can do. And AI assures us about the duplication, about a potential fraud. It can be identified with much more accuracy. It is going to enhance our skills as a chartered accountant, and already we being tested in our profession by writing a chartered accountancy exam, how analytical and hardworking we are. With that, this technology adoption is going to take the profession to the new heights. The young members with the experience of the senior chartered accountant, the profession, the change that is going to happen, we are ready to welcome. Therefore, I should thank all the participants, because today 1800 registration, 900 from Telangana, and remaining 50% are from across the country. Thank you very much, and a round of applause to all the members for believing on this event and coming to all the way Hyderabad. We'll make sure that every session of it is a value addition. We go out with a new idea, a new challenge, and ready to adopt it. When it comes to ICAI, our mother institution, if at all we say in a global platform, today when they are talking sustainability, we are way ahead in 2-3 years. When they are talking about forensic accounting standard, we are way ahead. We are now the torch bearers of the accounting profession of the world, which we have proved our strength by conducting a World Congress of Accounting in India 2 years back and demonstrated the strength of Indian accounting system to the world. All this is possible only because of the highest commitment from the 4 lakh chartered accountants in the country who has made our country today financially strong. Stock markets are running. Worldwide investors are believing in the companies of India. It's all because Indian chartered accountant is signing, who is capable of not only the theoretical subject but also technology. I wish you all the best and a happy learning for the next 2 days. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. And now I request all of you to please rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
I would now request our dignitaries and dais for a group photograph while we gear up and get our stage ready for our next round of technical session. I request all of you to kindly remain seated. I would once again like to inform all of you, for those of you who joined us later, that we have a WhatsApp community group dedicated to AIS 2024, where you will be receiving all the updates, and also as we move along, for every session, there will be a survey that will be happening in the group in the form of a feedback form, where we will be asking you 5 questions. It will be a multiple choice question, and then as soon as we conclude that particular session, we will be discussing that survey with those eminent speakers. And it's a very pride moment to tell you all that right now we're currently trending at number 2. Our hashtag for this summit, which is hashtag AIS 2024, is right now at number 2 in Twitter.